Hi guys, welcome again to my channel Mel in Japan. What you see right now is the front view of my school. That's our dormitory, but this afternoon it changes to this. So we are experiencing a heavy snow, we call it blizzard here, across much of Japan from today probably until Thursday, and everyone is asked for vigilance against traffic disruptions caused by blizzards and snow drifts.
Here we are. So our school right now is experiencing blizzard. Okay. Snowing here, okay? And our classes were canceled, so I have time right now just to play snow. Alright, but this is about very dangerous. So just 5 minutes ago, you can still see the ground, but now you only see white. So everything is white. Alright.
The snow continues and my red coat turned out to become white.
I hope my co-teachers will go home safely. Alright. Because they still need to drive. Please God, keep all my students and my teachers safe. There's my apartment now. Okay. Oh, it's slippery. There's only one car in here. And you know what? When I get back from the Philippines, I check my bicycle under the stairs. I found out someone took it. It was really blowing so strong. Okay. So my new bicycle is lost. It's not there. Here's my stairs. Okay, full of snow.